Let's say, for example, your flexible single master operation or FSMO role holder for the PDC emulator has gone offline, or even worse, has been stolen, and you know you're not going to be able to bring that server back online. Well, you're going to need to seize that role. So let's take a quick look at our previous location using getAD domain and look for the PDC emulator. And there you can see it was on prod DC02, but that server's gone. So we need to seize that role. So we're going to use the move AD directory server operation master role, specify the PDC emulator, and specify that we want to move that to prod DC. And then we're going to use the -force switch, which will cause it to be seized versus doing a transfer. So we'll click yes to confirm we want to move that. Do a quick check to make sure that our move was successful. And there we go. PDC emulator role has been seized and is now on prod DC. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.